drinks on them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do like a get ready with me on vacation. I'm so late, so like I'm like rushing, but if you want to see like how I choose this look, the hair, the makeup, everything, just keep on watching. It was a mess, okay, but just keep on watching. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Alright y'all, so right now I'm just like moisturizing my face to make sure like, you know, I'm nice and moisturized. I'm just gonna moisturize my face right now, okay? I do have like combination skin. It's more to the dry side, so I have to make sure like I do prime my face. It's not red. I use this as a primer. It's called Spa Pharma moisturizing lotion. So right now I'm just using my foundation brush to like, you know, put foundation all over my face. I do love this foundation, but I can't find it. Like this day I did this makeup look yesterday and I could not find it anyway. Like I've looked, but this was a really good foundation. I don't know what it is, girl. Like I literally don't know what it is. So I'm just going to like make sure I put my foundation all over my face. Foundation is just to make sure like you have one color. Like as you know, like if you're black you have different color combinations, so don't go and abuse foundation, okay? It's just meant for a canvas, so I don't use a lot of foundation. As you can see, I'm just gonna blend that foundation with a beauty blender, because like sometimes a brush won't really like smoothen out the way you want to, okay? So yeah. And also another trick I want to tell you guys is you shouldn't put a lot of foundation on your forehead and your nose, because it's going to show, okay? It will make it look like you have more makeup than you do. So just make sure like you do that. And yeah, so I'm just blending that out. And right now I'm going to contour my face using the anti-age eraser by Maybelline in the shade 149 in deep browns. Okay, I'm just like carving the cheekbones. Basically I'm giving myself a fake cheekbone. Y'all know like I have fat cheeks, okay? So I gotta represent in this area. And now I'm just snatching my nose, making sure it's nice and small. Not small, but like you just look snatched. I don't know. This makeup look, yeah, it's not like a beat. It's just like I was just doing my makeup so I can go take pictures by the pool, okay? So this is not like a beat. You'll see at the end. It's just like, you know, makeup. So right now I'm just highlighting my under eye with this concealer from Floma. It's shit, okay? Don't go and buy Floma concealer, in my opinion. But as you see like I'll mix it with my foundation just to make sure like it blends well, because it doesn't, okay? And also to make sure like the color is matching. It gives me the perfect color if I mix it with my foundation. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking for, but okay. But like I don't know, like don't go and use this. I literally need to buy like another concealer, because this is shit. Now I'm just highlighting my nose and that place, my forehead, but like not my forehead. You know what I'm highlighting. I don't know what that place is called, okay? And I'm just gonna reverse contour. This is just to make sure like I'm creating the cheekbone, okay? I'm not joking. Like when I told y'all I was creating my cheekbone, you thought I was joking, okay? Like I'm literally like constructing the cheekbone. Okay, so I'm putting on my foundation as well, just to make sure like the color is not too light, like I just said. And also I'm gonna do the same on my nose and everywhere basically where I put the Floma concealer. But this Floma concealer, it's not it. Now I'm just blending that out, and yeah, I'm just blending the concealer, make sure like your concealer is nice and blended, but don't over blend, because if you over blend you literally defeat the purpose of like highlighting your under eye, okay? So just blend but don't over blend. And also make sure like the under eye, like under your eye, is smooth, okay? Because when you put a powder, like the setting powder, if it's not smooth, it will show. So make sure it's nice and smooth, and yeah, take your time. It's your face. It's your faces. Okay. Wow, it seems like I'm still blending, yo. Like, okay. My angles are shit, I know. Like, this is my first time doing like a makeup thing, so I'll improve on the angles and make sure like I'm not blocking you guys like I'm doing right now. The fuck. Okay, so now I'm like putting the setting powder. Like I said, I mix Floma loose powder with this CR powder, I don't know, yeah, and it gives me like a perfect thing that I need. Yeah, so I'm making sure. Oh, when you do set your part, you know what, this is not like a makeup tutorial, so I don't know, but I feel like I need to tell you stuff, okay? Like, maybe like if you guys want to know, like, you know, makeup shakes, let me know. I'm not a professional, but like I do what I do, okay? And now I'm just setting out it. Basically, I'm setting out everywhere that I've put the concealer, making sure it doesn't move. Setting is to make sure your concealer doesn't move. Now I'm showing you guys my ugly ass masquerade palette by Juvia, I think. Yeah, is it Juvia? Yeah, it's the masquerade. Anyway, I'm just like putting the brown color and making sure like I'm putting it down from my nose bridge as well to give it like a contour effect. You should definitely do this with the brown. Don't go and do it with the blue, okay? Just saying. Okay, so making sure like you're blending it down as well. You see, like I don't know if you guys can see, okay, but my nose is a bit contoured. I don't know, that's why, in my opinion. Okay, so wow, okay, I've already done like my wing liner and I've lined my lips and stuff. I was rushing here. My boyfriend was literally calling out my name like Dana. Okay, so now I'm using my Note foundation just to make sure like I don't have any harsh lines. Everything is like proper and nice. As you can see, this is not like a bead, it's just like a basic makeup. Did you get, like, maybe makeup you do when you go in a class, or at least me, I don't know about anywhere else, but okay. So I did try to do some gloss. I've been into glosses these days. Y'all know I like red lipstick, but I've been wanting to try out some glosses. So this is me trying out, which I ended up changing. When you see my pictures, you see that I changed. If you guys want to see the pictures I took from this makeup look, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Lisa Conrad. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and you'll see the finished look in a second. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I just doing like a bucket hat and some gloss and some hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. This was a mess of a get ready, I know, but like I'll see you guys